Hi, welcome to LearnCity. My name is Samuel, and I will be your business coach for this class today. Today we'll be talking about how to start a graphic designing business. How do you ideate? How do you start a graphic designing business? How do you choose your business name? How do you do a whole lot of things to make your business a successful one, your graphic designing business? That is what we'll be talking about today. So if you are interested in this topic, please stay with us and do not go anywhere. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back. So today we'll be talking about how to start a graphic designing business. When it comes to starting a graphic design business, you might find yourself in a place where you have to make some big decisions. You have certain decisions to make. You have to decide a name of your business. You have to decide where your business will be located. You have to decide a couple of other things that would determine if your business would succeed or if it wouldn't succeed. You may be asking yourself, what is the first step in establishing my business? How much will it cost to start my graphic design business? How do I price my graphic design business? How do I market my graphic design business? So much more. We are going to walk you through how you form the idea for your business, how you start, launching your business, growing your business, and invariably running your business in the long term. The purpose of this guide is to act as an outline for the steps you need to take your business running successfully. Is starting a graphic design business right for you? That should be the first question you would ask yourself. Do I have the right skill sets? Do I have the right mindset? Do I have what it takes? Do I have what I need to start a graphic designing business? There are factors to consider when starting a graphic design business. We've been able to put together some pros and cons for you here. In this class, we'll be talking mainly about the pros of starting a graphic designing business. In the next class, which I believe you wouldn't want to miss, we'll be talking about the cons of starting a graphic designing business. Let's jump right in. Pros of starting a graphic designing business. Number one, flexibility. You can put as much time into the business as you'd like. You like to work and have some initial experience. You can start small and manage all aspects of the business on your own. A graphic designing business gives you flexibility. It helps you even to do things at your own pace. It helps you to be your own boss. You are flexible with your time. You can decide to work during the day or work during the night. You can decide to work few hours during the day or work few hours at night. You can decide to split your time. So graphic designing business gives you the flexibility you need. For as many of us that needs a business that helps us, that gives us flexibility, a business that doesn't necessarily mean we have to work 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You are not a regular 9 to 5 person. So graphic designing business might just be for you. Also, the ability to start your business from home. A graphic designing business, you can start it from anywhere. You don't need to incur the cost of, you don't need to get an office space. You don't need to have special equipment and all that before you start a graphic designing business. It is not necessary to have a physical storefront or office space to get your business started. You can do everything from the comfort of your home, at least in the beginning. And I believe when you start up, you want to scale up that business and become very, very good and become one of the most successful graphic designing business in the world. Next thing, little startup cost is required. The cost to start a graphic design business costs significantly less money than most businesses. If you are going to run a graphic designing business, the cost you need, the overhead you would incur would be lower compared to when you run other businesses. Say, for example, you decide to run an automobile repair shop. You need to get a store. You need to get special equipment to raise your vehicle. You need to get a whole lot of things that we do not have the luxury of time to mention. But for a graphic designer, all you need sometimes is your smartphone. All you need sometimes is just your laptop. And with that, you can create a lot of magic, do a whole lot of things. Next, rewarding work. A graphic designer gets reward. You don't just get reward in cash, but you get that satisfaction that comes with delivering quality to a business. I have it states starting a graphic design business can be a really rewarding work. After all, You are solving an immediate issue for your customer, and you are working on something you truly care about. A lot of us want to do something that helps us, something that we love, something we are passionate about. A movie that I love so much says, a quote in the movie says, follow your passion and success will chase you pants down. So a lot of us wants to follow our passion. We want to do things that are rewarding, things that makes us feel good. Starting this business will do that for you. Why? Because you are solving a problem for a consumer, for a business instantly. Do you understand? So the next one says scalable. The scalability of a graphic designing business is mind-blowing. It is massive. With businesses and processes changing daily, there will always be demand for new features, products, and services for your business. Additionally, there are several different business models and pricing tiers you can implement that would allow you to reach all types of customers. You see what I'm saying? A graphic designing business is scalable. You can start small and grow and take it to the next level. There are a lot of people that started with just their laptop, started with just their smartphone, and now they have a lot of graphic designers that they've trained and works for them.